everybody, it's Ian the Off-Kilter Crafter. I hope you're having a great day today. It's an exciting time of year because Cotton Cuts is ramping up for their fall puzzle mystery quilt for 2021. Now you might be asking what the puzzle mystery quilt is, and if you've never visited my channel before, on my channel I've been doing some of the tutorial videos for how these puzzle mystery quilts go together. Basically what happens is each month for 10 months you receive a clue in the mail and you sew that clue together. Usually takes about 1 to 2 hours depending on the complexity of each clue, and it's really awesome because at the end of 10 months you have a full quilt top whenever you're done. I've done several of the puzzle mystery quilts and they are just a blast. I love not knowing what it's going to look like until the very end. But don't worry, you do get to choose the colorway that you'll be sewing together for your quilt, and this time Cotton Cuts has upped the bar and they're now doing 8 colors instead of the standard 6 that we're used to. So let's go ahead and take a look at the different colorways. They're all named after Olympic athletes. For the fall 2021 Puzzle Mystery Quilt Olympia, the colorways are Kathy, Dorothy, Jackie, Jane, Carrie, Mark, Marty, Nadia, Scott, Sean, Simone, Sophie, Valerie. The puzzle mystery quilts come in 2 different sizes. You can either choose the small size, which finishes at 48 inches by 60 inches and costs $18.50 a month, or you can choose the large size, which finishes at 72 by 72 inches and costs $27.50 a month. Once again, Cotton Cuts has been kind enough to let me do the video tutorials for this quilt, and I can't wait to get started. I'll be doing the colorway of Carrie, so if you want to follow along, make sure to subscribe. And when you sign up for your puzzle mystery quilt, you can use my code IANOlympia to get a little goodie bag with your first clue. Enter IANOlympia at checkout before July 30th to receive a free gift with your puzzle mystery quilt purchase. So mark your calendars, signups open on May 28th at 7 a.m. Central Standard Time, with the first clues shipping on July 30th, 2021. So get ready for another fun puzzle mystery quilt and go for the gold!